Are you done?
Almost. Is it -4 and -2?
It's plus 4 and minus 2, I think.
Oh, okay.
Because we have x, you got this thing, right? X plus 2 times x minus 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
So x minus 4 is equals to 0. You need to add 4 on the both sides. X plus 2 is equals to 0. You have to subtract 2 on the both side, right?
Yeah.
So this one is x is equals to negative plus 4. And this one is x is equals to negative 2. So 4 and negative 2. That's the solution.
Okay.
Okay, so I think now we can do a little break. And I will
Okay.
join you after that.
Okay. See you.
So before that, is that clear to you?
Yeah.
The factoring and the solving quadratics?
Yeah, it's clear. I
Okay.
think I just need to do like some more practice on it.
Okay, I will
So,
send you homework.
okay.
Okay, see you after break.
See you.
Okay, are you able to see it?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, sorry.
That's fine.
Let me do it again. Okay, are you able to solve the first question?
Okay. So Maze makes 8 chocolate cupcakes and 22 lemon cakes. Write down the ratio of chocolate cupcakes to lemon cakes in the simplest form. So it's 8 to 22
Yes.
in ratio.
You have to
Then we
simplify
just
it.
find the common factor,
Yes.
highest common factor,
Highest common factor,
which is
which is
2.
well done.
So then we'll have 44 to 11. 4 to 11.
4 to 11. Well done. Okay, next one.
Logan has 80p and Sam has £2. Write down the ratio of how much money Logan has to how much money Sam has. Give your answer in the simplest form.
Okay, so you have to write down the ratio. What's the initial
So
ratio?
I think it's going to be 80 to 2
To 200.
200.
80 to 200, okay. And now you have to simplify it.
Okay. So a common factor is 40.
Well done.
And 80 divided by 40 is 2.
Well done.
200 divided by 40 is 5. So 2 to 5.
2 to 5. Well done. Okay, there are 180 red papers, red pens and 40 black pens in a box. Write down the answer of red pens to black pens in the box. Give your answer in the form of n ratio 1.
Okay, so
yes, think about it.
So we have 180 to 40.
Well done.
And we have to work out the factor.
This time they want one on this one side. So it means you have to divide by the lowest number, which is 40 over here, right?
Yeah.
So 180 ratio 40. So you have to divide both the ratios by the 40.
Okay.
So
180 divided by 40.
Yes.
Is 4.5?
It's 4.5 or 9 over 2. 9 over 2 is also 4.5, right?
Yeah.
And it's sorry, it's not equals to 40 divided by 40 is 1, right?
Yeah.
So they need the ratio in this form, right? N ratio 1. So n going to be 9 by 2 and then it's ratio 1, okay?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, just a second please.
Yeah.
So whenever they ask about something like this, divide the lowest ratio by both of the ratios. Okay, can you do this one?
In a bag there are red, yellow and blue sweets. There are twice as many red sweets as yellow sweets.
Okay.
There are 3 times as many blue sweets as red sweets. And write down the ratio of the number of red sweets to yellow sweets to blue sweets.
Okay, give it a try. So now one of them is going to be the 1.
Sorry?
One of the ratio is going to be the 1.
One of the ratios is going to be 1.
Yes, and according to that you will find the other ones.
Oh, okay, so
yes,
so
go.
either red, yellow or blue is 1.
Yes, and among them which do you think is the lowest one after reading the statements? Red is twice as yellow. So write it as 1.
Yeah.
Red are twice of yellow, so red should be 2.
Yeah.
And blue is thrice of red, so it should be 6. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So 2 ratio 1 ratio 6.
Okay.
Okay,
That's it.
that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever they ask you something like this, one of the ratio is going to be 1. Okay,
So like it will always be one.
because we don't have any reference, right? In
Yeah.
the other questions we have some kind of reference like this. You can see over here.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, so we have, if we don't have any reference, we take 1 as our reference. Okay, and we find other ratios according to that. So the lowest one is going to be the 1, and then red are twice as yellows. So red going to be 2, and 3, sorry, blue are 3 times of the red. So it's going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yes, clear.
Okay, can you do these ones? Ratio and fractions.
The ratio of red to white counters in the bag is 3 to 5. What fraction of the counters are red?
Okay, now you have to find out the parts.
Yeah.
So do you know how do we find out the parts?
I think we add the ratios together
Yes.
to give us 8. And we know that red is 3, so it'll be 3 over 8.
Well done. 3 over 8. That's our answer. Okay, what percentage of the counters are white? First, you write them into the fractions and then multiply it by 100.
Yeah, so it'll be 5 over 8.
Yes.
And then we have to do
Multiply by?
100.
So that is going to be 62.5. I think so.
Yeah, okay.
Let me confirm it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 62.5. My
Yes.
calculator says
62.5%. And this one was 3 over 8. Go ahead.
So, Mark says that there are 172 counters in the bag. Could Mark be correct?
There are 72 counters in the bag. Could Mark be correct? Okay, what are they asking over here?
So, we can do 3 over 8 plus 62.5% in like a way.
Okay, so what is your thought process about this one?
I think we have to find out what 3 over 8 as a percentage is.
3 over no.
No,
What do
sorry,
I think is like first you're gonna find out the parts. So there are 8 parts, right?
Yeah.
So if the parts are dividing this number completely, then Mark can be correct. Otherwise, if we are getting some kind of remainder, then he is wrong. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So 72 divided by 8. That is
Sorry?
72 divided by 8.
Oh, okay.
What's that?
9.
9. So it's a whole number, right? We are not getting any kind of remainder left. So he is, yes, he is correct.
Okay.
Okay, so the thing is, if he is getting some kind of remainder, then the distribution will disturb. We cannot say then they are in the ratio of 3 to the 5. Okay.
Sorry, can you repeat the last steps again? There was something going on.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I said that whenever they are asking about like there are 72 counters and you have to check that whether it is correct or not. So first you are going to check out the parts. Okay.
Okay.
Parts are 8. If the 72 is the multiple of parts, I mean 8 times 9 is 72, right?
Yeah.
So 72 is a multiple of 8, right? So then it's a yes. Otherwise it's a no. Okay. And the theory behind it that let's say if we get 73 counters. Okay, let's say Mark says that there are 73 counters. Now we don't have we know that 73 is not a multiple of 8, right?
Yeah.
So if we have 73 counters, we can't divide them into this perfect ratio, which is 3:5. So the ratio will disturb. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we can never divide 73 counters into the ratio of 3 and 5. You can try it yourself. You will get the answer in the form of decimals.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay, so there always has to be a number which is multiple of the parts. Okay,
Okay.
so we can Is that clear? Can we move ahead?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, can you do this one?
Okay. The ratio of adults to children on the flight is 17:3. There are 160 people altogether on the flight. How
Okay.
many children are on the flight?
Can you find it out?
Okay, so we know that adults to children is 17:3,
Yes.
and there are 160 people altogether on the flight. So we do 17 plus 3.
Which is 20.
Yeah. And we have to figure out if 80 is a multiple of 20.
Well done.
And it is.
80 is a,
If you do,
8 is a multiple of. Sorry, repeat that.
80 is a multiple of 20.
8 is a multiple of 20. Yes, you're right.
Yeah. And then, so if we do like 20 times 40, then we'll get 80. So,
So you need to find the scale factor first, right?
yeah.
How do we find it? How many are there total people together? 160, right?
Yeah.
Divide by how many parts are there? 20 parts, right?
80.
There are 20 parts, right? 17 plus 3.
Yeah.
So which turns out to be the scale factor is 8, right?
Yeah.
Now just multiply the ratio of children with 8.
Okay.
So adults, so it is 3, right? So 3 times 8,
Yeah.
24 is the answer.
Yes. Yeah, 24.
Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, let's move ahead. What about this one? The class will resume in a moment.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Welcome back, Yusuf. Let's start.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we are here. The
Yeah.
ratio of the size of angle A to angle B is 4 to 9.
Find the size of angle A. Angle B is 72 degrees. So we write 4 to 9 and 9. Sorry, wait.
Sorry?
9 is, so like 72 is a multiple of 9.
Yes, and how many times?
8. So
Well
9
done.
times 8 equals 72.
Well done. So what we are going to do?
So I think we do 8 times 4,
Which is
32.
32. Well done. So we know that we can also do one more thing here.
Yeah.
We can find out the parts. They're 32, right?
Yeah.
72 divided by 32. Where is my calculator? No, sorry, we can't work it like that. Sorry, my bad.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, so what can we do here? So one thing is you can find out the scale factor, which is 8. So the other thing is you can just write out the ratio like this, 4:9. And we need to find the ratio of angle A with respect to 72, right?
Yeah.
So we can write it out as A divided by 4 is equals to 72 divided by 9.
Yeah.
So 72 divided by 9 is 4, right? So 8. And then we have A over 4, which is equals to 8. And do you remember the thing? How do we simplify this A? So 4 is dividing, right?
Yeah, so you have to times on both sides.
Both sides. So this one will cancel out. And on the other side, we are left with 32.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So let's move ahead.
Yeah.
This one seems interesting.
Yeah.
Ratio of A to B is 2 to 3 and B to C is 5 to 1.
Find A to B to C.
Okay.
So A to B is 2 to 3. And
Yeah.
B to C is 5 to 1.
5 to 1. And you have to find A. Any
We have
idea?
to find A to B to C.
Yes, you are right.
But I don't know how to.
Okay, give me a second, please. So ratio of A to B is 2 to 3, right?
Yeah.
And B to C is 5 to 1. So can we write them into the terms of one another? Let's see. A to B. So A, B is 2 to 3. And when B to C is 5:1. So what can we do over here? Let me think about it. We can divide the ratios. We can do A over 2, which should be equals to B over 3, right?
Yeah.
Then if we multiply on the other side, we will get B is equals to 3 over 2 times A. Okay?
Yeah.
So we can, if let's say B is 5, we can find the B, we can find the A when B is 5. Sorry, so let's solve for A.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. Let's remove this. Let's solve it for A. So A can be equals to B over 3 multiplied by 2, right?
Yeah.
So when B is 5, what is going to be the A? Plug it there. So A should be 5 over 3 times 2, which is 10 over 3, right?
Yeah.
So I can write it as A ratio B ratio C, 10 over 3 ratio 5 ratio 1. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yes, good.
But let's say if I don't want to write in the form of fraction, then what do you think? What should I do over here?
Then you can write in the form of decimal.
No, not the decimal. I need to get rid of that 3. So I will multiply all of the ratios by 3, okay?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay?
So you can times 3 on both sides.
On all of the sides. So it will be 10, it will be 15, and the last one will be 3. Isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is our answer.
Yeah.
Any confusion?
No, it's okay.
So I have 10 ratio 15 ratio 3. Always remember you have to just find that equation which relates A to B. Then when B is find 5, you can find the number of A, and then you can compare all of them. Okay. So let me give a question to you like this one. Let's say A to the ratio of B is equals to 2 to the ratio of 5. Then B to the ratio of C is equals to 10 to the ratio of 3. Can you find A ratio B ratio C? Give it a try.
Okay.
Are you able to see the question?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, let me erase the random stuff over here. So what is your thought process about this one?
So if A to B is 2 to 5,
Yes.
and B to C is 10 to 3,
Yes.
I forgot what to do.
Okay. So see here, you have to find A when B is 10, right?
Yeah.
You need to find C uh, when A is 2. You can do both ways, but let's find A when B is 10. So A over 2 is equals to B over 5. Can I write it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. I divided the ratio by I divide, let's two, we have 8 to the ratio of B, right? And then 2 to the ratio of 3. So I divided 2 to the ratio, sorry, my bad. I have A
Yeah, that's fine.
to the ratio of B, which is equals to 2 to the ratio of 5. So what I'm going to do here, I will divide A by 2, which is equals to 5 divided by B divided by 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's solve this equation for A. And how we are going to do that?
We multiply by 2 on all sides.
So I get this thing, right? B over 5 multiplied by 2.
Yeah.
So now what I need to do? I need to find B A when B is 10. So just plug 10 there and you will get your answer. Replace the B with 10.
Cool. It's 5.
No, you have to replace the B with 10. Let me erase this one for a second. So 10 times 2 divided by 5. It should be 4.
Yeah.
10 times 2 is 20 divided by 5 is 4. So A ratio B ratio C should be equals to 4,
4.
10, 3. Is that clear?
Yeah, okay. Yes, okay.
Okay, can you explain me what we did here? Hello, Yusuf.
Yeah.
Can you explain me what we did here?
So,
We had A to ratio B is equals to 2 ratio 5, right?
yeah,
And
then we did A divided by 2,
is equals to?
B divided by 5.
Yes. And now we need to find the A when B is 10. So we will set up this equation for A, put B is equals to 10 to find the value of A. And after that we can just replace it over there. So 4 ratio 10 ratio 3. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah, it's cool.
Okay. So let's move on then.
Yeah.
Okay, now they are asking you to draw to write an equation. Y ratio x is equals to 5 ratio 1. Can you write an equation linking x and y?
So, uh,
It's just like this one where we divided them. A divided by b is equals to b divided by 5.
so we can do y divided by 5
Well done.
or 5. Okay, y divided by 5 and
Is
then x divided by 1.
x divided by 1.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do this one?
Yeah, so we've got x over 2 and y over 5,
Yes.
and that's it.
X over 2 and
And y over 5.
is equals to y over 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This one, y is equals to 3 times x.
So,
You have to find the ratio of x to y.
yeah. So y equals like 3 times of x.
Yes. So it's...
So we have to find out, first we have to find out the value of x.
no, we are not interested in x. When you say y is equals to 3 times x, 3 times x, so I think you have the answer.
Oh, so would just be x to
Y
3y.
x to y is equals to 1 to 3.
Oh, okay.
So when x is 1, y is going to be 3, right?
Yeah.
So
because I thought like
yes, go
I
ahead.
didn't know that x would just be 1 by itself. I thought it would be like any number, and then the y would always be 3 times of that number.
3 times of that
That's
number.
how
So the ratio is going to be 1 to the ratio of 3, right?
yeah.
So let's say if x is 2, then y is going to be 6, right?
Yeah,
And
that's
if
what I was thinking.
and if you simplify it, it is again 1 to the ratio of 3.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, this one. Can you do this one?
Okay.
Now the equation like we did, how did we make the equations? This is going to help us in doing this one.
Yeah. Okay. So 28 marbles have a mass of 91 grams.
So
What
20.
is the mass of 100 marble?
So we have 28 ratio 91, and we have to find the corresponding ratio to 100, right?
Yeah.
So let's replace it for x for a moment and then make the equation. Try to make the equation. So I'm saying that we
So
have 28
x
to
y,
91
yeah, it will be 28 to 91.
and 100 to x, right?
Yeah.
So can you make the equation from here?
So then to get from 28 to 100, we have to.
No, you can do also that, but it is kind of complicated. Do you remember dividing and then making the equation? So we can do x divided by 91 is equals to 100
Yeah.
divided by 28.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and I think this is you can do on the calculator because it's impossible to, it's not impossible, but it is difficult to solve this one without the calculator.
Yeah. Okay. Should I give it in a fraction form or decimal form?
Fraction will be better.
Okay. It's 25 over 7.
Did you multiply it with 91 as well?
Oh, so wait. I just wrote 100 and I just wrote 100 divided by 28 in my calculator. That's it.
But we need to find x, right? So we need to get rid of this 91 as well. So 91 is dividing, so we will multiply it on the both side.
Oh, okay. So
Okay, does that make sense?
100. Yeah. So 100 divided by 28 times 91.
Yes, go, well done.
Okay. So then it would be 325.
325. So so the mass of 100 marbles is going to be 325 gram. Okay, let me tell you how I did this question once again, one more time. So you can see the ratio of 28 marbles uh, the ratio between mass and marbles and the weight is 28 to the ratio of 91, right?
Yeah.
We have now 100 marbles. We want to find the mass of them.
Yeah.
So let's replace it with x. We know that 28 is ratio to 91, but we want to find 100 ratio x. So to find x, you can divide x over 91, which is equals to 100 over 28, right?
Yeah.
These are marbles, and this is the weight. I mean mass in the gram. So
Yeah.
you can do x divided by 91 is equals to 100 divided by 28. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yes, clear.
And now you will just solve this equation for 91, and that's give you 325 gram.
Yeah.
So is that clear?
Yes, clear.
So let's move ahead. We have exchange rate over here. So this one is simple.
Yeah. So Ola went to Spain. She changed £425 into euros. The exchange rate was £1 equals €1 16 pence. Change £425 into euros.
Can you do that?
So to get from 1 to 1.16,
So see here, 1 pound is equals to this many euros, right?
yeah,
We need to find out the, excuse me, we need to find out how many euros are going to be when we change 425 pound. So we just need to multiply them.
so
1
just 425
times
times
1.16.
1.16.
Yes,
Yeah. It's 493.
493 euros, right?
Yeah.
Okay, today I got to know that how what is the difference between pound and euro. So pound has
Yeah.
one horizontal line and euro has two. Sorry about my poor writing over here.
That's fine.
Okay, we can move ahead.
Yeah.
So I went over the syllabus of G. Can
So should I do it by myself and then tell you what I got after?
yes, you can just like you don't need to do it in the class. You can just do it as a homework and just share all of the solution with me so that I will evaluate your marks.
Okay.
Okay. So can you do this one?
Okay. So um, on her return to Belfast, Ola changed €80 into pounds. The new exchange rate was £1 equals 1.25 euros.
Okay.
Change €80 into pounds.
Okay, I think you can do this one yourself.
Yeah.
Go ahead, give it a try.
Okay. So to go from 1.25 to 1, you have to.
It's just like the previous one. Okay, now sorry. Now you have to go backward, right?
Yeah.
So let's do ratios use ratio this time. So 1
Okay.
ratio okay, 1 ratio 1.25, right?
Yeah.
And this is pound and this is euro, right?
Yeah.
Now we have 80 euro or pound. We have 80 euro, right?
Yeah.
We need to find the number of pound. So 1 is to ratio to 1.25. We need to find x to the ratio of 80.
Yeah.
So can you do it?
Okay. So we have to like figure out how to get from 1.25 to 80.
Uh, yes, but best thing is to make the equation. So how do we make the equation? Do you remember that?
So it will be x over 1 and 100 and yeah, and
X.
then 80 over 125.
It's 1.25.
Oh yeah, sorry, 1.25.
Okay, and now I think you are good to go.
Yeah, and then we have to times it by 1 after.
But it doesn't matter, right? But
Yeah.
timings it matter. So just divide them, you will have your answer.
Okay, it's 64.
It's 64.
Yeah.
So she's going to get 64 pound.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this one clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
What about these ones? So are you expecting the same questions we are doing, right? Because I have went through them. They are kind of same.
Yeah.
Are you able to read this one?
Yeah. So
Rebecca.
Rebecca is making chili con carne. Here is a list of ingredients to serve 6 people. How much of each ingredient does Rebecca need for 4 people?
Okay.
So,
So the given is the ratio
yeah.
in the context of 6 people, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, let me write it clearly.
Okay.
So when there are 6 people, she is using 1.2 kilogram of minced meat, I think, 420 gram of tomatoes, 3 chilies,
Yeah.
and 600 kidney beans. Now, how much she is going to use when she just need to make it for 4 people, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now the thing is you just need to find the scale factor, and then you can multiply all of the ratios with that scale factor to get the corresponding. Okay, so the trick is, let's take one of them. We have 6 to the ratio of 1.2, right? I'm just taking this one, okay?
Yeah.
And then we have 4 to the ratio of unknown, which is our x, right?
Yeah.
So if you solve for this x, you will get the scale factor.
So, we do
Yes, x divided by
x divided by 1.2.
1.2 is equals to
Uh,
4.
yeah, 4 divided by 6.
Okay, now solve for x.
And then we have to times by 4.
Times it by 1.2.
Yeah, 1.2.
So x divided by 6, 4 divided by 6 multiply by 1.4. What are we getting?
Yeah. 0.8.
That's it. So she is using 0.8. 0.8 mincemeat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry, we are not doing it by using the scale factor. We will do them one by one. Okay.
Okay.
So I did with the mincemeat. Can you do with the tomatoes? Let me write down the equation for you. The ratios for you. We have 6 ratio 420, and then you have to find 4 ratio x. Just like we did with the mincemeat, I think you can do it.
Yeah. is 280.
So you did x divided by 420 into 4 divide is equals to?
So what I did was
Yes,
4
go.
over 6 times 420.
You are right. It's 280, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Can you do for chilies as well?
Okay. It's 2.
It's 2 because we have
Yeah.
4 over 6 multiplied by 3.
Yeah.
Last one, please. Kidney beans.
400.
400. And
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Isn't that easy?
Yeah, that's easy.
Okay, let's do this proportion one. The number
So
of months.
the number of
Yes, go ahead.
okay. The number of months to complete a piece of research is found by m equals 400 over n,
Okay.
where n is the number of scientists working on research.
Yes.
How long should the research take if 8 scientists are working on it?
This one is so easy.
Yeah. Where n is the number of scientists working on the
Okay.
research. How long should the research take if 8 scientists are working on it? So m equals
400.
400 over 8.
Well done. Which is
50.
50. So it will take around 50 months to complete the research paper.
Yeah.
To complete the piece of research. Okay. X is directly proportional to y is directly proportional to x, which is going to be the correct equation. First one, second one, or the third one? Any idea about this one?
So I think proportional means like the same amount.
It means that if
like it's linked.
Proportional means directly proportional means if we are increasing the number of x, the number of y is also increasing. Directly proportional. Yeah. And inversely proportional is like it's the inverse of it.
Yeah. I think it's the y equals kx, so the last one, the third one.
The last one. Well done. Okay.
Yeah.
So now y is inversely proportional.
So I call the equation. So I put the equation, the correct equation. So if it's inversely proportional, that means it's the opposite. So if x increases, y decreases.
Yes.
I think it could be like either one, k over x or x over k.
It can be one.
Okay.
But
so how come it's only that one?
Because inversely is like, do you remember reciprocal? What your teacher told that we were talking about that other day? Reciprocal.
I think I remember a bit.
Okay. So inversely proportional means that it is 1 over x. Okay.
Yeah.
So and directly proportional is y is directly proportional to x. This is the sign of proportional. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one is bit of complicated. It depends of number of value of k. So it can be directly at some time and sometime it can be inversely. So okay, so this one is like this one is like the confusion. Okay, sketch the graph. So the graph of directly proportional is like when you are increasing the number of x, y is also increasing, right? So it will be something like this. When x is increasing, y is also increasing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's do this last question now.
Yeah. It takes 5 builders 8 days to build a wall. How long would it take 2 builders?
Okay.
So
5 builders are taking 8 days, right?
yeah.
So write down the ratio. You can do it.
So 5 to 8,
Well done.
and then I'm gonna take 2 builders.
2 to x.
So 2 to x, yeah. And then we do 5 over 2
Okay.
divided times by 8, I think.
X over 8 is equals to 5 over 2, right? So multiply by 8.
Yeah.
So 5 over 2 multiply by 8, which is I think equals to 20, right?
Yeah, 20. Yeah.
So it will take 20 days to build the wall.
Yeah.
Okay, state an assumption that you have made in working out your question. So we have done it through the ratio, so I don't think we made any assumption here.
Yeah.
But what kind of assumption we can make over here? Let's think about it. I'm not sure about if there is any other way to do this question. There might be some ways, but can you figure out some other way to solve this question?
So we can say that it will take less builders. Sorry, wait. It will take more time because there will be less builders.
Yes. So you can see that with decreasing the number of builders, the time is increasing, right?
Yeah.
So can we write it like time is increasing with decreasing the number of builders?
Yeah.
So let's say we have builders over k over time. So when time is increasing, builders are decreasing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is inversely proportional, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's it for today.